Hey,
What's up?
where you get that hair from?
This is my hair. I've been growing my hair for like 5 years.
What?
Yeah.
Dang, girl.
Yeah. Natural. Natural.
Just like your booty.
Okay, y'all. So right into it. No intro, no nothing. Whatever. I'm about to do like my last protective styles as far as like a lock style. And as you can see, I have done this style this many times. So let me show you the other things that you're gonna need. Okay, so you're gonna need your Bobbi Boss New Locs, the Fil'tr Water Wave in 22 inches. Okay, so this one is optional. This is the pre-twisted Passion Bohemian in 30 inches. I seen like a little snippet of somebody using this kind of hair, so I think I'm just going to like try and see what kind of texture this hair gives to the whole style. So that's why I bought it. And then your spring twist hair. So the amount of hair I'll actually use, I'll put in the description, but this right here cost me about $50. Okay, so I want to show you guys what I have so far. So this is what I have so far. And what I did was I sprayed my hair with the water and aloe, and then I put this on, and then after I put this on, I let it soak for, I guess, like saturate my hair a little bit, and then I use this. So this right here, I'm gonna say like I do not recommend it unless it does have the crochet. Like I don't understand, like it said on the package that it was crochet hair, but when you open it, it does not have any crochet at all. So I do not recommend you doing this. So this is my first time using the spring twist. As far as, well, I did use the spring twist on the ends of my hair, but it was just on the ends, that purple and blue look right here. As far as like the whole thing, I like the water wave better. I like the water wave look better, and that's just, you know, my opinion. So it's really, really long. So I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing it using this right here, and all the tips and all the like videos that I watched like for me doing this, I'll link them in the description. But I will honestly say the Bonita Locs, what happened was, I'm gonna be honest, what happened was I found her on the explore page, and so I was like, oh my gosh, her hair is so cute, I love it, it's so different. And then I saw that she was selling like the course on how to do it. So of course you're gonna go to YouTube first and see like, okay, so this is what like I do. Okay, so my hair is out, and this is out as well. Hello? Okay, so I had to go handle something. So basically I don't remember what I was saying, but yeah, but I don't want to make it like too heavy or whatever. But like I said, I do like the water wave hair better. When we get to the front, we'll start using the New Locs. But like I said, I bought this because it was cheap. It was like $2.99, so I was like, why not? And disregard my beat face. I was shooting a TikTok earlier, so if you're on TikTok, follow me and I'll follow back. Okay, so now I remember what I was talking about. So yeah, so basically I found her on the explore page and I'm like, oh my gosh, that is so cute, like I love it, right? And so she was selling her a tutorial video. So the first thing I did was I went to YouTube, because of course, like I was like, yo, I know I can find something like it on YouTube before I buy it. So a couple of days went past and I was just like, all right, really couldn't find what I was looking for on YouTube. I saw like a couple of things, but I knew for a fact that she was using the new Locs. So I couldn't find a tutorial with somebody using like the new Locs. So fast forward, price raised to I think like $35 maybe. I'm still like being cheap or whatever, and price ended up getting to like $55, $75 or something like that. And I was just like, I forgot about it. So I was just like, all right, I'm just gonna do it myself. I did it myself through trial and error, and then this is what I came up with the first time that I did it right here. And then I did it another time, and I don't know, I just really didn't like the second time that I did it. I didn't like it. I think maybe it was the color that I didn't like, but yeah, I didn't like that. And so then the last time that I did it in a bob, and I actually watched a tutorial from Winnie Jean, and so that was like, okay, this is how I do the bob, and I think it turned out pretty cute. What y'all think? So after you wrap, all you have to do is kind of like go in and just like, you know, pick it out or whatever, right? So that's one spring twist in half, right? So now what you're going to do is just to keep wrapping. So you're going to just put like a couple, like a little bit of the new hair, and then you're just going to wrap. And when I wrap, I like have my finger right here when I wrap, so it's like the hair catches on my finger, and so it makes it kind of like distressed. So that's what I do. And then sometimes like I'll wrap like some of the hair, and then like you'll see, hold on. So I'll wrap like some of the hair like this. So it's like just continue to wrap, let it catch on my ring, and just like loosely do it, and then go in tight, just so I can have like different waves. I don't know if you can see that. I don't feel like the camera is really picking this up. Hold on. And then I go back up to seal it. So then I will go and cut it to match the length of the other ones. Okay, so I'm going to take this last strand of the spring twist, and then I'll just add it to the end. And then what I'll do is just the ends, I'll just do it really tight like that, make sure it's sealed, and that is it, and that is how it looks. And everything is covered. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the difference between using the new Locs and using the passion twist here. Okay, so it really just depends on your budget and how much you want to spend if you want to use either or. So I'll do the passion twist here first. So this is what I do. I'll go ahead, insert the crochet hook, hook it, close it, pull it through, find the hole, and pull the twist through, and then go like that. So then after I do that, I unravel the twist. Start untwisting from the bottom so you don't have a lot of tangles. So then all you have to do is take your hair, put it with one of the twists, and just retwist the passion twist. So then I take the spring twist hair. Now I know a lot of people, when they do this, they like fluff it out like so much, but I really just fluff it out like that, and I just leave it like that, because it's like when I fluff it out too much, it's like the curls aren't as defined as I want them to be. So then I'll go ahead and split them. And then what I'm going to do is start wrapping. Pull one side through. And then I have this much. So I wrap tight. I wrap tight at the base because I want to make sure that I cover the crochet loop. So I'll do it tight for a couple of times just to cover that loop so it just looks okay. And then I'll just continue to wrap just real loose. And if I don't see any distressed parts, I'll just go back and just pull some curls out so it can be distressed. And to seal, I just wrap until I can't wrap anymore. I've never had any issues with my hair unraveling. I just make sure that I wrap it really, really tight at the ends. And then if you want to like put a loop, you can do that as well. And I'll show you how to do that. And when I mean knotted, that's what I mean. And you can do that a couple of times just to make sure that it's secure. So now I'm gonna do the second one with the new Locs so you guys can see the difference. And then to add the length, you just find the loop on the second end, and then you split like that. Put the loop in one side, and then you tie a tie knot on one side, and then I come to the other side and I tie a knot there. 2 strands, and then you just take the bottom and connect it with the lock on the bottom like that, and you make sure that you do it the same direction. And then you do it upwards. So it just blends in. Go like that. Take your spring twist hair, split it apart. And then you do the same thing. All right, and then now you can start going loose. Okay, so here are the differences between the two. In my opinion, they look exactly the same. The new locks will give you 21 strands. And so if you make them long, you end up with 11 strands. If you use the passion twist hair, the passion twist hair that I used came with 12 strands. So it just depends on how long you want your hair to be. The thing that I like about the new locks is this already has this semi-distressed look anyway. So it just makes it a lot easier when it comes to wrapping, because it's already going to kind of do it for you as far as giving you that look. The passion twist hair does that as well. So like I said before, I would not recommend using the just the straight crochet dreads, because they end up looking like this, and I don't really like how that looks. So I'm glad that I used it in the back, but some people might like the way that looks. Okay, so here is the last way to do these new locks, and honestly I feel like this is one of the best ways. And then all you do is you open the hair in the direction that the hair is. So what you'll do is you'll open and then wrap it around. Open, wrap it around. Open, wrap it around, and just go until your natural hair is covered. And then after you do that, you will take the water wave hair and crochet that in, and that way that'll cover up, if you see little braids and stuff like that, the water wave hair will cover that up. So with the water wave hair, you do want to make it fluffy. And then you'll go tight at the top. And then you'll just wrap loosely, and then if you want to do the thumb method, you can do the thumb method. Just however, you know, you want to wrap, and just knot the ends. I don't use any nail glue or anything like that. I just continue to wrap until I can't wrap anymore. I've never had any issues with any hair falling out or anything like that. And just seal the ends like that. And this is how it looks. You made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. As a special bonus, use this code right here for 25% off shopvividrose.com. And for all my boss babes out there, if you're interested in making your side income your full-time income, go ahead and check out my other channel right here, where I talk about different ways to make money online and offline. Okay, you're still here. Go ahead and check out another video right here. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Oh, and by the way, turn on those post notifications.